All right, time for some wintry birthdays this Thursday. We start in Girard with a belated birthday going out to Hannah Greenwood, who turned 5. Happy birthday, Hannah.
Chloe Bressy is 7 strong this year. I wish it was warm enough to get in the pool. She's in Fulton, Kansas. Happy birthday, Chloe.
All right, we've got Kira Whitchurch turning 12 in Jasper. Happy birthday to you, and this comes with love from Granny and Papa Charles.
All right, Christian Bledsoe celebrating birthday number 12 this year in Frontenac.
We've also got Logan Hensley celebrating the big 2-1 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Logan.
All right, Monica Castorina is celebrating birthday number 35 this year. Hope it's a great one.
We've also got Larry Simpson turning 66, and this says happy birthday from his loving wife. Happy birthday, Larry.
All right, and Billy DeGraff in Galena celebrating birthday number 98 this year. Looking good, Billy. All right, that's our list.
That is our list, and to make it bigger and better each day, Tanya knows how to do that.
That's right. All you have to do is email us your birthdays. Send them to birthdayswithans@KOAMTV.com or birthdayswithans@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're checking out our website for the latest winter weather resources, take a moment to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Okay,